Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, we are going to talk about the GIC legal exam and how GIC exam is different from other legal exams. So the first reason that I can identify is the exam pattern. There is single level exam and then there is GD and interview. In majority of the exams, you will find prelims, mains, phase 1, phase 2 and then there will be interview. There has been UIC exam, IBPS RRB which requires experience, and this now GIC re-exam which is a single level exam. So you have to appear just for one exam and then there is interview. The recruitment cycle is comparatively shorter for such exams. The second reason is there is no sectional cutoff present. In majority of the exams you will find sectional cutoff. While in this GIC re-exam there is no cutoff part-wise. Part A, Part B, Part C will not have separate cutoffs. Neither will there be separate cutoffs, sectional cutoffs for different subjects in Part B. There will be an overall cutoff out of 150, and if you target good enough marks in your overall score, you will have an edge when you are appearing for written exam. I have already shared in my earlier videos the previous year cutoff trend and what should be your target score, how much marks you should be able to get out of 150. Remember, you can use your strengths to appear in such kind of exams. If you are not good in GA or numerical ability, you can choose to go for partial preparation of such topics, or you can even choose to leave out one of such topics. But you should target somewhere 85 to 90 marks to be confident to clear this exam. If you are good in technical professional knowledge, you can rely more on that. Then you can rely more on English, any of the subjects of reasoning, GA, numerical ability and descriptive English portion. So use your strengths to appear in such kind of exams. When compared with other exams, for example, SEBI legal, there is descriptive legal present. There are two phases present in this exam. Most of the aspiring law graduates do appear for SEBI legal exam. And I'm not saying you should not appear for such exams, but I'm just telling you why you can fill the GICD exam, why you can target this exam. Even if you want to land into SEBI or other regulatory bodies, this organization can be a stepping stone and can give you a good exposure. In IBPS SO law, there are two phases. There is sectional cutoff present. In PFRD IFSC legal, there are two phases. Then in NIACL, NICL, OIC legal, UIIC, there are different types of exam pattern. I have already mentioned in UIIC, there was single level examination. So very few recruitments offer single level examination. And even if they offer single level examination, there is sectional cutoff, which is not the case in GICD. Then there are some PSU related exams which you can check out. Now looking at this recruitment from the organization and the job profile perspective. GIC Re is a single reinsurer company in India which is government based. This is a government job with corporate setup. As a reinsurer company, the major role of GIC is to ensure the insurance business of insurance companies. So it is reinsuring the insurance companies. To know more about the role of GIC, you can refer to the website where the history and various other information is given in detail. This entire general insurance business was nationalized in 1972. There were 55 Indian insurance companies which were merged to create 4 insurance companies. And GIC was formed in 1972 for the purpose of superintending, controlling and carrying on the business of general insurance. Later on, IRDA was established. And in November 2000, GIC was re-notified as the Indian reinsurer. Through administrative instruction, its supervisory role over the 4 subsidiaries was ended. So you can read about this in detail. You can see what kind of job profile GIC is offering and whether this can be your aspiring recruitment, aspiring organization or not. If you have any queries, you can write them down in the comment below. If you are looking for study material, you can check out our GIC Assistant Manager online course in which there is variety of content present which can help you in the preparation of this exam. On Friday 13th of December, we are conducting a strategy class where we will guide you how you can best use the content in this course to prepare for your upcoming GIC exam. That's all for now. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.